The pumpkin photo shoot. This is my friend Ben. Ben and I have been friends for almost a decade now. We also worked together as photographers over the years. If you Google up Ben's website, you'll find these sensational pictures of pumpkins. Which leads me to this guy, Bruno. If you Google up his name, you'll find all these newspaper articles showing him and his pumpkin farm. He's a young and famous pumpkin farmer from a small little town at Lake Constance, Germany, Markdorf. In August 2017, Bruno hired us to make high-end professional photos for the fall season advertisement. So we jumped in our car and on a sunny Tuesday, Bruno invited us over. He did not only provided the pumpkins and pre-selected them, he also provided kind of an individual studio for us. We set up our equipment with lights, reflectors, cables, the computer, and we picked a nice still life background. After fixing the lighting setup, we played around with various arrangements of the pumpkins and added little details here and there. We took a lot of photos, rearranged and decided different, took more photos, and concluded our shooting with picking 6 great motifs. We didn't quite know much about pumpkins when Bruno told us about the project in the first place. And we're still no experts, but we know a little more, and the moral of the story is, who thought it might be a really fun thing to take pictures of pumpkins for a day?